any decorative thread is suitable for the upper looper thread. Raise the beading presser foot. Put the pearl beads under the presser foot so that they are fed from the rear of the presser foot. Then, lower the beading presser foot. Turn the hand wheel by hand to sew 2 to 3 stitches to make threads entangle the pearl beads. Then, press the material until it reaches the knife. Now, slowly start the sewing machine. Pearl beads at the end are likely to move out of position. So, do not depress the controller pedal, raise the beading presser foot, and remove the pearl beads. Fold the fabric. Start the sewing machine.